This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch. Raise the hood and support it with the prop rod. If you're replacing a headlight bulb on the driver's side, it may be easier to first remove the air filter cover to gain better access to the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector. Twist the plastic retaining ring counterclockwise, then remove the bulb. Install the new bulb. Be sure to align the locating tab. Install the retaining ring and rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. Connect the bulb electrical connector.